Well, good day, YouTube, and welcome to a brand new edition of Triple Chips Down the Hatch 2. Where today we're going to be doing some, I just got the bag open on the bottom, but it's the Mark Angelino. These are the Mediterranean quality gluten-free sausages. They're Italian-style pork sausages, and they're the mild Italian. You get 20 in a bag. No added nutrites. These are uncooked, so these were $11.49 a bag for 1.4 kilograms, which works out to 57 cents a sausage. And that's what we're dealing with. I took out 8 of them. I'm gonna throw those in the oven. So if you want to do the oven method, just take it up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, which I've already done. So if you don't want to do this method, the method I'm going to do takes, let's see, if you're going to use the oven, it says 425 for 23 to 25 minutes and turn them once in between. So probably set your timer for midpoint to be about 12 minutes. So we're just going to fire those in right now. Get those going. And then the other options you have, if you want to do them on, you can do these on a barbecue for 18 to 20 minutes. You do them in a frying pan for 17 to 19 minutes. You can use a clamshell electric grill, kind of like a George Foreman, for 12 to 14. And the most important thing, do not cook these sausages because they will lose their flavorful juices. So that is, just get those at your local TGP wholesalers. We got one in town, so that's the grocery people. So we'll see you guys in a few minutes. I'll take them out when they're done. Catch you soon. Okay, and we're back. Timer just went off a minute ago. I had to put them in probably for an additional 5 minutes. So cooking times will vary depending on your stove. And I let these thaw out too, so I don't know if that dictates anything, but and that's what we're dealing with. I'll just put them over here by the stove again. That one's a little short, just had to do a little sampling because these are a pork product, just wanted to make sure that they were done, so just grab one of these. These two. Show you guys what it looks like on the inside. That's what we're dealing with. You see the steam just rolling off a bit. Let's try a little sample out. It don't smell overly spicy, but it smells like there's a bit of spice in it. Ooh, very hot. Pretty good. So these make great for any time. You can put them with breakfast, have them with supper, with some other side dishes. But a very good product. So I'd highly recommend getting these. Compared to like a Jimmy Dean or a Johnsonville sausage, these are quite a bit more reasonably priced. Kind of fit the budget nowadays. So, if you like what you've seen here, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Until next time, happy eating. This has been Triple Chip for Down the Hatch 2. Catch you in the next one. Vlog is over.